I'm Graciela Prichard Leon, and this is O2. Named after the diatomic oxygen we need and breathe every day. O2 can recognize harmful substances in the atmosphere and keep many people from harm. O2's shell is 3D printed. The way my Droid detects harmful gases in the air is through the V1.3 air quality sensor. When I cast a shadow over O2's light sensor, it makes its own synth bit noises. I've also hooked O2's Bluetooth bits to the littleBits app so I can control the servo for direction and the DC motor to move. Here I have acetone, one of the substances O2 detects. The bar graph lights up to tell you the sensor detects something, and my cloud bit allows me to get readings.